Hey there, how to track calories on MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to move to the MyFitnessPal app. You have to open the app. Once your app will be open, you have to search for a food. Like I want to search for food. In this way, click on the food here. You can see here in the circle that 370 calories. You can also calculate here from carbohydrates, fats and proteins. In this way you can track calories on MyFitnessPal app. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.